Imagine a world where nations come together to create a marvel of modern engineering, orbiting our planet. Yes, we're talking about the International Space Station, or ISS. An enduring symbol of unity and human ingenuity, the ISS silently orbits our Earth, a testament to what we can achieve when we work together. The station is a shining example of the power of international cooperation, a beacon of hope in the vast expanse of space. The ISS is not just an engineering marvel, it's a beacon of international cooperation in space. The conception and construction of the ISS was no small feat. It involved a collaboration of multiple space agencies. When we imagine the birth of a space station, we may envision an epic scene of astronauts and engineers in spacesuits, piecing together enormous metal parts against the backdrop of the stars. But the reality is a tapestry of international cooperation, intricate planning, and incredible engineering. The International Space Station is a product of collaboration among 5 space agencies from around the world: NASA from the United States, Roscosmos from Russia, the European Space Agency, the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. Each of these organizations contributed their unique expertise and resources to the project, weaving together a diverse array of technologies, materials, and ideas. The design and construction of the ISS presented an array of unprecedented challenges. Imagine trying to build a house not on solid ground, but in the vacuum of space, where there is no up or down, no air to breathe, and temperatures can swing from searing hot to freezing cold in a matter of seconds. The modules that make up the ISS were not assembled on Earth and then launched into space as a single unit. They were sent up piece by piece over the course of several years and assembled in orbit more than 200 miles above the Earth's surface. Each module had to be designed to withstand the harsh conditions of space while also being light enough to be launched from Earth. Moreover, the ISS had to be more than just a structure. It had to be a home, a laboratory, a power station, a communications hub, and more. It needed to support human life in an environment that is inherently hostile to it. This meant creating systems to provide breathable air, clean water, food, and waste disposal, among many other requirements. The ISS is a clear testament to what humanity can achieve when we work together. It is a symbol of our collective desire to explore, to learn, and to push the boundaries of what is possible. It is a beacon of hope in the night sky, a reminder that we are capable of great things when we reach for the stars together. The ISS is not just a space station, it's a hub of technological innovation. Imagine this. You're living in a home that's constantly moving at a speed of around 17,500 miles per hour, and your nearest neighbor is about 250 miles away. Sounds daunting, right? Well, that's life on the International Space Station. But how do you survive in such a hostile environment? The answer lies in the marvel of technology. The ISS is equipped with advanced life support systems that create a livable environment for astronauts. These systems meticulously control the temperature and humidity, recycle waste into water, and even convert exhaled carbon dioxide back into breathable oxygen. It's like having a mini Earth in space. But living in space isn't just about survival. It's also about work. The ISS is a floating laboratory equipped with state-of-the-art scientific equipment. From studying the effects of microgravity on human health to observing cosmic phenomena, the ISS is at the forefront of scientific research. And let's not forget the solar arrays. These gigantic wings are the lifeblood of the ISS, converting sunlight into electricity. They span over an area of about 1 acre, generating enough power to run 42 120-square-foot homes. That's quite the power plant. But the ISS isn't just a testament to the technology of today. It's also a springboard for the technology of tomorrow. As a testbed for space technology, the innovations developed and tested here will be crucial for future deep space exploration. Whether it's advanced propulsion systems, new spacesuits, or even technology for Mars habitats, the ISS is paving the way. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see that bright light streaking across, remember, it's not just a space station. It's a symbol of human ingenuity, a testament to our technological prowess, and a beacon lighting the way to our future in the stars. The ISS is the cradle of numerous technological advancements that have and will continue to shape our future in space. Ever wondered what life would be like in space? Astronauts aboard the ISS can tell you. Imagine waking up, not to the familiar pull of gravity, but to the sensation of floating. This is the daily reality for the inhabitants of the International Space Station. Their day begins with a morning routine that's not too different from ours on Earth. Brushing teeth, washing faces, and even a quick breakfast. But remember, all this happens in microgravity, so every task requires a bit of astronaut ingenuity. Every day, astronauts devote about 2 hours to exercise. In the absence of gravity, muscles and bones can weaken, so maintaining physical fitness is crucial. Treadmills and resistance devices become their gym, allowing them to run and lift weights while floating in place. After their workout, the astronauts dive into their primary role, that of scientists. They conduct experiments that could not be performed on Earth, in fields ranging from biology to physics. These scientific endeavors help us understand not just more about space, but also about our own world. Mealtimes are a change of pace. Food aboard the ISS might come in vacuum-sealed pouches, but that doesn't stop astronauts from enjoying a good meal. They gather together, sharing dishes from their home countries, turning mealtimes into a multicultural experience hundreds of kilometers above Earth. But life in space isn't just work and meals. Astronauts also find time to relax. They can watch movies, read books, play musical instruments, and even make video calls to their loved ones back home. And let's not forget one of their favorite pastimes, gazing out of the cupola, the ISS's window to the world, at the breathtaking view of our planet. However, living in microgravity also presents challenges. Simple tasks become complex, and the isolation and confinement can test even the most resilient minds. But these astronauts know they are part of something bigger, a grand human endeavor of exploration and discovery. Life on the ISS is a balance of work, play, and discovery, all while floating in microgravity. The ISS is not just a home for astronauts, it's a laboratory for groundbreaking research. Aboard this orbiting outpost, science and discovery find a unique playground, a microgravity environment that allows researchers to conduct experiments impossible on Earth. One of the key areas of research carried out on the ISS is biology. The weightless conditions present a unique opportunity to study the effects of microgravity on living organisms. For instance, scientists have been able to examine how human cells behave in space, providing valuable insights into the workings of diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. Astronomy, too, benefits immensely from the vantage point of the space station. With the absence of atmospheric disturbances that often obscure our view from Earth, the ISS offers a clear window to the cosmos. Astronauts have used this opportunity to study everything from cosmic rays to the mysteries of dark matter, offering us a better understanding of the universe we inhabit. Material science is another discipline that's found a home on the ISS. In the station's unique conditions, materials can be tested and observed in ways not possible on Earth. These experiments have led to advancements in everything from semiconductor technology to the development of new alloys. Beyond these disciplines, the space station has also hosted research in physics, human physiology, meteorology, and countless other fields. It's a testament to the boundless curiosity of the human spirit, constantly pushing the frontiers of knowledge. Moreover, the research conducted aboard the ISS has not only deepened our understanding of science, but also resulted in practical applications. For example, the study of fluid dynamics in space has led to improvements in the design of fuel tanks, while the research on bone density loss in astronauts has informed treatments for osteoporosis back on Earth. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky and spot the twinkling light of the ISS passing overhead, remember that it's not just a marvel of engineering. It's a scientific powerhouse, a testament to our thirst for knowledge, and a beacon of human achievement. The ISS, a scientific frontier, continues to expand our understanding of life, the universe, and everything in between. What does the future hold for the ISS and space exploration? As we turn our gaze forward, the International Space Station continues to be a beacon of possibility, a testament to human ingenuity and cooperation. Its future is as dynamic and expansive as the universe it traverses. One of the promising prospects is that of commercial partnerships. With private space companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin making strides in space technology, the potential for collaboration is enormous. The ISS could serve as a hub for commercial space flights, a launch pad for missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. A commercial spacecraft docking at the ISS isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie anymore. It's a reality that's unfolding before our eyes. Another exciting development is the role of the ISS in future missions to the Moon and Mars. NASA's Artemis program aims to land the first woman and the next man on the Moon by 2024. And the ISS is a crucial part of this endeavor. It's a laboratory, a test bed for the technologies and procedures we'll need to establish a sustainable human presence on the Moon and eventually on Mars. And let's not forget the beyond. The ISS is helping us prepare for deep space exploration. It's teaching us about the challenges of long-duration spaceflight, about living and working in space, about the human body's response to microgravity. These lessons are vital as we gear up to venture further into the cosmos than ever before. The future of the ISS is not just about exploration, though. It's also about inspiration. It's about inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and astronauts. It's about sparking curiosity and fostering a sense of wonder. It's about showing what's possible when we reach for the stars together. The ISS may have started as a dream, but it's now the stepping stone for our future in space. With each orbit, with each sunrise and sunset it witnesses from above, it's paving the way for a future where humans are a multi-planetary species. The ISS is more than just a space station. It's a symbol of our collective ambition, our shared dream of exploring the final frontier. The ISS may have started as a dream, but it's now the stepping stone for our future in space. The ISS is more than a space station. It's a symbol of our collective desire to explore beyond our world. It's a testament to what we can achieve when we work together, transcending borders and differences. It's a beacon of hope, lighting the way towards a future where we understand our universe a little better. It's a classroom, a laboratory, a home away from home, and above all, it's a stepping stone to the cosmos. The ISS, an orbiting testament to human ingenuity, continues to inspire us all to reach for the stars.